Hey, do you want to know the best warranty company available? Then watch this short video to the end so you don't miss the point. Let me tell you about the best home warranty services that I have been working with for 5 years. I will show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best home warranty services category. I will leave the link to the official site under this video. Watch carefully. We are getting started.
Hello and welcome to our review of one of the best home warranty plan. This service takes a different approach to service than some of its competitors. When you sign up for a home warranty plan with this service, not only will it provide access to its network of contractors, but you can also use contractors of your choice to perform the work. Along with plans for home service offers discounts to members, providing more opportunities to save on home goods your family may need. In 2018, this service was named an Incorporated 5000 company. It is also a National Home Service Contract Association member and offers coverage in all states except California, South Carolina, Hawaii, and Nevada. There are different types of insurance you can purchase to protect your home structure and items inside. Homeowners insurance provides reimbursement if bad weather, water, or fire damages your home. By contrast, a home warranty protects your home's interior items, such as appliances and systems that may wear out or fail over time. Much like a homeowner's insurance policy, a home warranty contract will reimburse you if there is a problem with the covered item. To learn more about home warranty, visit What Does a Home Warranty Cover? You probably already guessed the name of this service. That's right, it's AFC Home Club. AFC Home Club offers 4 plans for homeowners: System, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. The System plan is as the name states. It only covers the home's main system for a cost of $39.58 a month, while the Silver plan only covers the home's appliances and costs $37.50 a month. The Gold plan costs $45.83 a month and covers some appliances and systems, but leaves out microwaves, ice makers, and plumbing stoppages. The Platinum plan covers everything in the Gold plan, as well as the 3 items the Gold plan leaves out, and provides the most comprehensive coverage of all 4 plans at a cost of $50 per month or $600 for the year. AFC Home Club allows customers to add a few additional items to their plan for an extra fee. These items include sump pumps, hot water dispensers, standalone freezers, septic systems, pool, spas, and tankless water heaters. AFC Home Club is available in all states except California, Hawaii, Nevada, and South Carolina. What home warranty discounts are offered by AFC Home Club Home Warranty? AFC Home Club also offers multi-property discounts in member benefits, including free credit monitoring and discounts on things like home security, household supplies, restaurants, and entertainment. What additional home warranty coverages are offered by AFC Home Club Home Warranty? For an additional cost, AFC Home Club allows you to add on coverage for the following items: sump pump, hot water dispenser, standalone freezer, septic system, pool and spa, tankless water heater. AFC Home Club offers 4 home warranty plans: a System plan, a Silver plan for appliances only, and 2 combo plans, Gold and Platinum. The company's most comprehensive offering is its Platinum plan, which covers 18 appliances and systems in total. AFC Home Club's website makes it easy to learn about exclusions for each covered appliance or system. For example, all parts of a garbage disposal are covered, but the company doesn't cover installation, diagnosis, or failure from misuse. For a kitchen refrigerator, the company won't cover touch panels, displays, leaks, water lines, freon and coils, door hinges, valves, removable parts, or the filter. It's a good idea to review coverages and exclusions for every item listed in the home warranty plan you choose. Also, like all home service contracts, AFC Home Club's warranties don't cover damage from accidents or natural disasters. That includes hail, rain, fire, wind, theft, vandalism, mold, mildew, or pests. For this type of coverage, you need homeowner's insurance. Like many companies, AFC's home warranties don't cover professional-grade appliances or systems, and there is a $1,000 charge limit on professional series appliances such as GE Monogram, Wolf, Viking, Thermador, and Samsung, among others. The company isn't responsible for regular maintenance and can deny service for a covered item if you haven't properly maintained it. Payout caps and limitations. Below are some of AFC Home Club's payout caps and limitations for common home warranty items. $200 limit on plumbing stoppages, $500 limit on electrical repairs, $1,000 limit on water heaters, $2,000 limit on air condition repairs, $2,000 limit on refrigerators, $2,000 limit on clothes washers. A full list of exclusions is obtainable from AFC Home Club or through a downloadable sample contract. The Platinum plan costs $50 per month for our archetype home, or $600 annually when the service fee is set at $75. Service fees range from $75 to $125. AFC doesn't offer roof leak coverage. Some other home warranty companies do offer this as an add-on, but there are extensive limitations, and coverage doesn't include partial or full roof replacements. Coverage limits are usually $500 or $1,000. AFC Home Club doesn't cover mold. AFC Home Club allows you to choose your own contractor to perform service on a covered item. However, if you decide not to use your own contractor and instead go with an in-network technician through AFC, the company will initiate service within 24 to 48 hours of your request. They will send you the technician's contact information so that you can schedule service at your convenience. If the technician deems that parts are necessary to complete the repair, they will submit the information online for AFC Club approval. AFC Home Club Home Warranty has been in business for 11 years and is accredited by the Better Business Bureau. Over the past 3 years, it closed more than 160 complaints, with the majority of those being due to a problem with the product or service. Most home warranty plans have exclusions and limitations. It is important to review your contract agreements and learn what is and isn't covered prior to filing a claim. Home warranty companies in general seem to garner a lot of complaints. However, there are also many AFC Home Club reviews praising the company's excellent customer service and quality workmanship. At the time of this review, AFC Home Club had a B rating with the BBB. However, a business's BBB accreditation and rating can change quickly, so consumers should never judge a business solely on its rating.